Hello and welcome back to the Oven Cook. Today I'm going to do a carbonara. And I know you're thinking, oh god, not another carbonara. But yeah, it is another carbonara. But we had a carbonara the other night and it was a bit left over, and obviously we put it in the fridge. And obviously when it's carbonara, when it's gone cold, it's a bit, stodgy and sticky and yuck. So I added another ingredient and I thought I'd share it with you. So obviously by nearly the end of the video, you'll know what this ingredient is. There's probably another videos out there with this ingredient, but hey ho, I'm doing it today. It was really tasty. So what I've got is chicken diced up. I've got some ham cubed up. I've got some garlic, chives, spring onions, some little mushrooms cut up, some Parmesan cheese, some Tagliatelle pasta, black pepper, olive oil, bit of nutmeg, and the secret ingredient. So I'll get the pan on and we'll get cracking. See you soon. Okay, so we've got a pan on the go here for the tagliatelle pasta. I'll put some rock salt in there and some olive oil, and we'll let it boil up and then put the pasta in. And over here we've got a pan on the go, olive oil in there, it's on the heat. I'm going to put the spring onions. Have garlic, chicken, okay, so chicken's on the way. If you find any your bits of chicken are too chunky, once it starts cooking, you can just halve them down and get them sort of like the same uniform as your like chopped ham, which I've already chopped up, obviously. So you just give them a little crunch up. Like that. Happy days. Put our chopped ham in, our mushrooms, and we'll bring you back soon. Okay, we get our pasta in. We'll let it do its thing and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got our this is all on the go. So take a bit of the pasta water, basically to stop it cooking. And our pasta. our secret ingredient, which is cream of mushroom soup. Stir this in. Add our Parmesan cheese. Black pepper. A little bit of nutmeg. Some of our chives. And again, if you feel it's getting a bit stodgy, obviously save some of your pasta water. Give it a couple of scoops in there. Perfect. So what we do, we'll bring you back, we'll have a plate up, and I'll see you then. Okay, so there we have it. Chicken and bacon, or chicken and boiled ham, carbonara, with garlic, spring onions, what's it, the ham, chicken, tagliatelle pasta, the chives, black pepper, and cream of mushroom soup, and Parmesan cheese. Absolutely awesome. I just come across this by accident. It's probably already out there, but it is absolutely delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.